welcome back to Cute Kid Cooking. She's got a ring on. Do you know what we're making today, Emma?
We're gonna make cookies.
Do you know what kind? It has a funny name. Snickerdoodles. We're gonna try to make Snickerdoodle cookies. We've never made these before, so come with us. Let's make Snickerdoodles. Oh, that's fine. All right, first we have to cream butter and sugar for 4 to 5 minutes. That's a long time.
Yeah, that's a really long time.
So we should probably start. Let's do it. Let's go cream some sugar and butter.
We just mixed it with the maker.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's all combined, the sugar and the butter.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go look at our recipe and find out what we need next, okay? Okay, next step, Emma, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That seems like a ton. Combined into the sugar and stuff. Can you hold that?
Yeah. Oh!
Okay, set in. And then we're gonna do 2 eggs. So much. Only need 2 teaspoons. Vanilla, okay.
Ah!
Don't get me wrong, I like vanilla. You wanna start mixing that? You gotta get all the wet stuff in there, guys. Ready?
I close my eyes so I can get in my eyes.
Do I get egg in your eyes?
No.
Oh, good. That'd be bad for your health. Alright, come one more.
I close
Mommy is dangerous with an egg. You're not wrong. Alright, we're gonna combine that. And then we'll put in some more stuff. Sound good, Emma?
Yeah.
Oops. We were supposed to cream it. So we went back and creamed it. Now we're on track. Emma! You ready for the next part?
I'm just gonna tell you something.
Come and tell them something.
Well, we're gonna go be taking up my kid to school.
This is Emma's kid. His name is Bear. Say hi, Bear.
Hi, Bear.
So we better take him to school.
Yeah, we have to take him to school.
We'll be right back. See you soon. Okay, there is 2 3/4 of flour in here, Emma. This is a lot.
Oh,
The bear did not go to school. He is still here.
that's right.
What?
He told me you said.
Ugh. How am I gonna combine all this?
Yummy, yummy.
Need to put it in a bigger bowl.
Yummy, yummy.
This is gonna require muscles, Emma.
Yummy, yummy.
You think it looks yummy, Bear? Oh, there's more sirens. Something's going down.
Let me go look outside.
Okay, you go and see what's happening. We're gonna add cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt
I'm gonna go.
just until combined.
I'm gonna go look out the window.
Good idea. So come back. We'll be doing that soon. Okay, so as we always do, we probably failed. We mixed it, but it's still very crumbly. We're supposed to put it in the refrigerator for like 25-30 minutes. So I decided we'll put it in a bag, we'll squish it in the bag, and see if we can't get it to stick together. So that's what we're doing. So squish, girl, squish. Oh, bother. Are you using your chest? Maybe your hands would be better. Yeah, that seems to be working.
This is heavy.
Yeah, I bet. Okay, I think we're good.
Wow.
Crisis averted.
Squish it.
Now we're gonna make the cinnamon sugar mixture that goes on the cookies once they come out, okay? Out of the refrigerator. So I need you. Should we do the sugar first or the cinnamon first?
Yes.
Maybe the sugar, because there's more of it.
I'm just gonna put it open to
Do 1/4 of a sugar.
Wow.
I know. And then we're gonna do 1.5 of cinnamon. We gotta pop that top, huh? All right, you gonna hold this? You got it? Firmly? 1.5 tablespoons. the more the better, in my opinion. So if we kind of lose some, that won't make me sad. All right, put that on. We'll do another half of it. Yeah, just fill it about halfway.
It smells delicious.
It does. I like cinnamon too. All right, put that in there, and then mix it all around.
Yeah.
Conversations with Emma. Go ahead.
I can't believe that. And now we're gonna make them. Our doll's gonna be into a little boy, and I'm gonna put them in now. Yeah, that's pretty funny. It smells delicious. It smells delicious. Instead of using your spoon, you can use this one or the regular one. But the still smells delicious.
Delish. Nice. Can you sing us a song about it, maybe?
I can just talk.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't know how. We have to mix it, and this one is kind of small, but it's a little bit big.
Does it get the job done?
Yeah. It makes a lot of spoonfuls.
That looks good. What color is it now?
It's brown.
All brown.
I can see the ball.
Cinnamon sugar now. The best kind of sugar.
Didn't you look at it?
I see it. It looks good.
Wow, it's pretty good.
Yeah. All right. Let's just let our little dough babies get cold, and they'll be diving into a cinnamon sugar swimming pool.
I don't think I'm done yet.
Oh, okay.
They're gonna be like the happy bunnies.
Okay. All right. Emma's going to dip them in and get them all covered. Okay? Yeah. Roll it all around. Get it all nice and covered up.
I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah. Nice.
Ew, I have dirty hands.
I'm worried they're gonna be too flaky.
Here I promise.
And not.
Put 'em in.
Supposed to roll them and then cover them again with a spoon, but we'll just do the best we can. And then maybe squish them down a little. I mean, once the heat activates the butter,
No.
you gonna roll some? Should be okay, right? There you go.
They look like rocks.
They do look like rocks.
Can I cover them up with a spoon?
Sure.
Wow, that's gonna look delicious.
Well, I'm not feeling awesome about these Snickerdoodles. But that's the first batch. Those ones look about right. Oh well, I'm sure they're yummy. And Emma just wanted a plain one. So that'll just be like shortbread, right? We'll find out. What do you think?
Good.
You think good?
This one is mine.
The one that's just plain? Yeah. Very good.
Okay, now let's go down and take a nap.
Take a nap already?
I'm just kidding.
Okay, let's go. The cookies are done. We've tried them. Emma, what do you think? Were they good? Thumbs up? Hi. Yeah, they were good. All right, so if you enjoyed this video.
That was a long one.
Yeah, it was a long process, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give it the thumbs up button. Yeah, like that video.
Closer. That close.
And keep on watching for more cute kid cooking and other adventures whenever we're, feeling safe to go on adventures again. So, alright guys, these Snickerdoodles remind me of the Disney Christmas party. Mickey's very merry. So, Disney is just a dream away. And dates have been announced for when they can reopen, so that's exciting. Sorry. And, yeah. Adventure is out there making Snickerdoodles. Okay, say bye, friends. Bye, friends. Yeah, what she said.